Guys, it's Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. I'm out here in Melville, New York, and driving around today. It's so beautiful out. Yesterday was a little breezy and cold. Today we have sunshine. It's nice and warm. And just came into a parking lot over here just to stretch out a little, take a break, get some quick lunch. But as I was driving through, I seen this awesome classic car. You know, I have hundreds of classic car videos, muscle car videos, classic European car videos, and just want to thank everybody that subscribes to my channel. So hit that subscribe button, leave any comments down below, like and share my videos. So guys, check this car out. It's a 1952 Ford V8 Custom Line 4-door sedan. It's got the automatic transmission in it. I love the plate blue mist. The Ford Matic transmission. This car's a really nice shape. It's got the side skirts. It's a really nice car. So you got extra battery in there in the back seat just in case. I like the sun visor up top, the fuzzy dice, little rain guard over here. It's got some fuzzy dice, 52 Ford. I really like the 55 Crown Vic and also the 55 T-Bird. These 50s Fords are really nice. It's got his cowboy hat in the back too. So guys, like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. All the classic cars I have here out here on Long Island that I find. Again, I want to thank everybody that subscribes and leave comments down below. Like and share my videos. And there you go. 1952 Ford with Jerry Metal Man Battaglia. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.